Let's see what is inside.
Louis Vuitton.
Yes, they know.
Yeah, Louis Vuitton.
Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have two boys here, my little boys. Okay, the other one is here, and I know they are disturbing me, but I said you can be here, no problem. Okay, so today's video is unboxing. You know, like you have, like, I have different pronunciation when it comes to this word. So most of the time I've been like using German pronunciation, that is unboxing. But then when we go to like the British thing, it's unboxing. So this is my first unboxing in 2021, and the thing is, I bought this last year, okay, but then I couldn't do the unboxing thing, and I thought of like doing it this year. So my boys, they are here, you know, they have a winter, no, Christmas like festival holidays, and in 1 week they have to go to school. So cheers guys to 2021.
Oh no, help.
Now let me start the unboxing. So here we go guys. So
Oh, must look, Mama.
this is, yes, I did. Yes. So this is my first unboxing in 2021. Let's see what is inside.
Louis Vuitton.
Yes, they know.
Yeah, Louis Vuitton.
Okay, so oh, please put my champagne there.
Okay.
I did open and I saw what is inside, you know, so you know.
What is inside?
Wait, okay, you can open.
Louis Vuitton.
Pull this, just pull this like. Pull. You see?
Louis Vuitton.
So this is my small thing which is in here. No, we can. Yeah.
It's a wrap
Okay.
inside. Whoa.
Well,
I don't know how I
quite
can.
the makeup. So I have to. Sometimes I have to speak. Oh, you see?
This
Sorry for that.
tiny bag.
Yeah. So this is my first Louis Vuitton. My unboxing 2021. Even if I bought it last year, because now this is limit festival season 2020 limited. You know, this pochette, they love to produce or to make some limited pochette festival season. So this is the one I have. So the person who bought it somewhere like 375 Swiss francs, and then I bought it a little bit like 50 Swiss francs more. But I'm happy because I wanted something limited, you know, because something cute. I like this.
It's gold.
Yes.
And it's small.
Yeah, so small. It's for casual, you know, for casual. And during the day, or even when you have a cocktail, you know, cocktail party, so you can wear this. I think it's going to blend so well, cocktail dress and everything. So let me try to show you quickly the...
Here they have lighters to shine.
Yeah, so let me show you quickly the price. How was the price so that you know? Okay, someone is going to show that. Can you show the price? Yeah.
I wanted also to show the prices.
Yeah.
375 Swiss francs.
So that was the price, but then I bought a little bit
Very expensive.
more. Yeah, so I bought a little bit more, about 50 Swiss francs more. Can you come and show the price, please?
No.
Why? So somebody is upset that only one person was showing the price. So I'm happy to have this, to add this to my collection. You know, this little cute bag. You can have a look. Yes, guys, so this is my first unboxing. Continue subscribing to my channel, guys, and enjoy watching my videos in 2021. And see you later or next time in another video. I shouldn't say later as if I'm going to come back in a few minutes now. So see you in another video, and yeah, you're going to know what it is, what's going to be there in another video. Maybe it's about traveling or just talking something else and like this. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. This is my first unboxing 2021. Bye guys. Bye.
Bye.